in oncoming traffic.
Crash, crash, crash! It's up in the grass!
I'm pregnant!
Oh, you dude! Stop!
What started as a quiet surveillance call quickly turned into something much bigger. Officers were watching an apartment complex after noticing suspicious activity around a black Lexus. The vehicle pulled into the lot, stopped near the back, and someone appeared to approach it. At first, it looked like a possible hand-to-hand exchange. But before officers could fully confirm what was happening, the Lexus left the area. That is when police attempted to move in and initiate a traffic stop. Instead of pulling over, the driver made a split-second decision that changed the entire night. Within moments, a routine investigation became a dangerous pursuit through public roads. At this point, officers were still trying to locate the Lexus and confirm exactly where it had gone. Radio traffic shows how quickly the situation spread from one unit to another. A good Samaritan pointed officers in the right direction, and the vehicle description started matching up. The Lexus was still moving, and police now had to balance catching the suspect with keeping everyone else on the road safe. The driver had already shown he was not willing to stop, and every second increased the risk. Once another officer spotted the car again, the pursuit was officially back on.
Probably at like 6:40-ish now. I think it's coming up the east city limits now. It's got quite a ways on my left. Somebody's pointing north on 6-0. That's Big Samaritan. So I'm going to check that way for crashes. If anybody's north on 6-0, keep on it.
Is it a black Lexus sedan, right?
Confirm, pin the license plate, confirm.
Copy on 60 National, waiting.
Places Adam Lincoln Robert 9798, no vehicle associated.
I got it here. It's north on 60 Greenfield. I haven't lit it up. If someone wants to come with me, I'll turn around on it.
Baggage east on Beloit.
Copy.
34 Morgan and Bolt.
Eastbound National, one male black octane, one female white. Show being pursued again. Speeds approximately 45 miles an hour, one for mobile drug dealing, what's else in pursuit.
Even call it.
Morgan, that's me, I'm with you. I can call it. We're eastbound National from side 8, speed 75, light traffic, no pedestrians coming up to Miller Parkway.
They're stopping. They're stopping. Oh, disregarded. So going. We are eastbound coming up to 43rd Street. Light traffic, no pedestrians. Speeds are 34. Briefly going in oncoming traffic.
Here they're at 0 oncoming traffic in that way, coming up to the ramp for 175.
Getting on 175 northbound from Miller Parkway.
30, light traffic, no pedestrians, roads are dry.
West Dallas in pursuit of a black Lexus, one for mobile dealing.
Speeds are 60 up to the stadium interchange.
MCS on MPD requesting sticks.
Headed towards 175 northbound.
Speeds are 95. Medium light traffic, everybody's getting on their way, roads are dry.
It's taking 175 northbound.
It looks like continuing northbound, West Dallas in pursuit, 175 northbound, past Center, Wisconsin. Speeds are 103.
Coming up to the state police exit, cutting over to the number 3 lane. Just past 100 feet, they're ready to get off at Floyd.
The chase kept getting more dangerous as the Lexus pushed through traffic at high speed. Officers called out road conditions, traffic levels, and the suspect's speed as they followed behind. At one point, the vehicle briefly entered oncoming lanes, creating a serious threat, even though there was no immediate traffic in its path. The speeds continued rising, and police prepared for the possibility of using stop sticks. But before officers could bring the chase to a controlled stop, the situation suddenly took a violent turn. The Lexus lost control, crashed off the roadway, and the suspects immediately tried to run.
It is going to go in.
Crash, crash, crash! It's up in the grass! Crash!
Crash, crash, crash. What the hell?
is getting into that black vehicle. One is no
You good, Lamb? You good?
Females in custody, vehicle crash, U.S. 10. It's not gonna explode. It's not gonna explode. Oh, you dude. Stop. Oh, man. Get on the ground. Take to the plane, we're in the woods right up 175. Turn over! Get in the woods! Turn over, we're good. Turn over, or you're gonna get tased. Do not reach! Right here! Take your other hand out now! I got it right here! Get your hand! Look at my hand! Left hand's underneath him. Roll him towards you. He's good.
Here, roll it towards me. Roll him towards me.
And dude, come on. Look at my hand right here!
Stop! Give us your hand, dude.
What, female? Passenger gang.
We got her. What's that guy's name? Sit down.
Hey, she said the car is starting on fire. It's on fire.
You're just a passenger? Sure, okay?
Okay.
Hop in, watch your You're just going to sit here, okay?
Oh my God.
Okay, get in the car.
Oh.
Get in the car.
Oh.
Watch your head.
Oh.
Thank you.
After the crash, officers had two urgent problems at the same time. One person was taken into custody near the vehicle, while the driver ran into the wooded area. The passenger could be heard saying she was pregnant and panicking as officers tried to secure her and keep her away from the burning or damaged car. Meanwhile, other officers chased the driver on foot, yelling commands as they caught up with him. The arrest was tense, physical, and chaotic. Police repeatedly ordered him to stop reaching and give up his hands, while officers worked to cuff him safely after the crash and foot pursuit.
All right, roll over. Hey, probably with this thing. It hurts. Taser, bro? Hell yeah. We'll help you up. You're good.
I need light here, man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, go. Cool. All right, you're good.
I can't breathe.
We'll go this way, buddy. I don't say. Yeah, I got you. Any weapons? No, hell no. Narcotics, where are they? In the car? Or is it in your pants?
I got this. He was reaching his pants over here. Got some? Yeah, there's a bag that's by my car. There's a baggie, but I don't think anything's in there.
Hey, walk the path. Make sure he didn't ditch any. Hey, can you backtrack the path in there? See if he dumped. From where we found him? Pull my pants out. You still got a probe in you, boss? I think so. Okay. We're gonna search you, okay? Yeah. Need an ambulance? Huh? Need an ambulance? Do you think so? You're probably gonna have to get cleared, yeah. We got in here, guys. Oh my God, you dumbass! What was up? Y'all sitting up a stain, a dope here. He had a little bit of right here in his pocket.
Once the driver was in custody, the focus shifted to what may have been thrown away during the chase. Officers noticed that he had been reaching around and suspected he may have ditched evidence while running. That detail became important because very little was found directly on him at first. Instead of ending the scene with the arrest, police began retracing the path where he had fled. They searched near the crash area, checked the route through the grass and woods, and brought in a K9 to help. What they were looking for could explain why the driver had risked a high-speed pursuit in the first place.
He's all over this area. You went this way? Yeah, he's all over this area though. Help! Got that. There's a big adult more right here. Yeah, it's all right here. We need someone with a camera, please.
The K9 search gave officers the break they were looking for. Items were located around the area where the suspect had run, and police treated them as possible evidence connected to the pursuit. With the scene now secured, officers turned their attention to the passenger's version of events. She had claimed they were only going to meet someone connected to a stock box. But the details of that story did not sound consistent. Investigators wanted to know why the driver panicked when he saw police, why he refused to stop, and what really happened inside that apartment complex parking lot before the chase began.
You have the right to remain silent. So, let's start from the very beginning.
Yeah.
The guy that was in the car with you, who is that dude?
This friend of mine.
Like a boyfriend, child father?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
He's been a really good friend. Been there for me.
Did he pick you up today?
Yeah.
Okay, in that car?
Yeah.
Where did he pick you up from?
My mom's house.
Okay, and that's
Yeah.
what did he tell you guys were going to go do?
He said we were going to go out to Uncle Bill's house to get some bread because he gets the stop box.
What did you guys pull into? What was he doing there?
That apartment is where we got the stop box from his uncle.
He said the stop box. What? Stock box?
Yes,
Like
basically
S-T-O-C-K?
it's got like bread and juice and milk. But when he saw you guys, the stop box out the window, he was like, oh God, I see police, we gotta get out of here.
Where did he throw the stock box at?
I don't know, but he didn't hold it.
Did Uncle Bill come out to the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What did he give him?
He didn't give him anything. He was, I don't know.
So then what happened? He saw us and then what?
When all hell broke loose, and
Did he say anything?
he said, shut up, just be quiet, just be quiet. Because he was trying to concentrate. Like, what the hell are you trying to concentrate on, guys?
Whole story about Uncle Bill and the stock box and coming out and saying, oh, he like whatever and they didn't give it to him.
I know he sells. That's all I know he sells. I don't know anything else.
Walk me through.
To be honest,
So walk me through when you guys get to the apartment complex. What happened?
he just freaked out.
No. Like before you saw the police.
We were in an argument because I'm pregnant, and he was just really telling me I'm such an evil, dirty, disgusting.
And was that in the parking lot or while you guys were driving?
While we were driving there, I'm sitting here bawling my eyes out.
So what actually happened in the parking lot?
He handed him some money.
The guy handed the driver money?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then after that, I didn't see any exchanges because he told me to fix my face because we were about to go inside.
Did he hand anything back to Uncle Bill?
I don't
As
know.
the interview continued, the passenger's story started to shift. At first, she described the stop as a simple trip involving food or supplies. But when officers pressed her on what happened in the parking lot, she admitted she saw money being handed over. That changed the tone of the interview completely. It suggested the visit may have involved something more serious than a routine stop at an apartment complex. While she denied knowing everything that was happening, her answers gave officers a clearer picture of why the driver reacted so aggressively when police appeared. The next step was hearing the suspect's own explanation.
Aren't you? That's a young man's game. Probably would have been better off just stopping. I got a dog. So obviously you were at Sunrise. What were you doing at Sunrise?
I was going to visit my uncle, man. My uncle lives in that building. And when the police came creeping through there, I already knew what was up. As soon as I pull up to see my uncle, I usually take him places, like take him to go grocery shopping, stuff like that, right? So what he did, they said, okay, we're going to mess with him. Y'all was already set up. Because when I came out the lot, I looked to my left and I seen a big black truck sitting down there, right? I'm like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Man, come on now, really?
So you pulled off out of the parking lot and then what? Then where'd you
And then
go?
the cop came, the big old truck.
The truck tried to pull you over? Alright, so in here.
24.
In the end, the chase, crash, and evidence recovered after the arrest led to serious consequences. According to the case details presented, Andrew faced charges connected to fleeing from police, reckless endangerment, possession with intent, bail jumping, and obstruction. Some charges were later dismissed, but he was ultimately found guilty of second-degree recklessly endangering safety and possession with intent. The passenger was initially connected to a resisting or obstruction allegation, but the case information suggests prosecutors did not move forward with that charge. Andrew was later sentenced to 4 years in prison, followed by 4 years of extended supervision. What began as a suspicious vehicle stop ended with a prison sentence.